Sasabihin mo maano itchy yung ano mo, yung crashes itchy. That's blood pressure.
Daddy, is Mommy watching this?
Later. Stick niya dito. Dito sa arm. Sa arm. Yan.
I think that's sticky.
Malalagtad. Kita, malalagtad. Yan. Ditaso. And then, what's the blood pressure? Blood pressure 118 over 70. Thank you, Doc. What's that? That is what's that? I don't know what's that.
Can I tell them that it's itchy and ouchy?
Hold on.
Or just itchy?
Kaya malaglag, sasamahan baka malaglag.
Can I rank? Wait for
Ay, wala. Dirty na.
I don't need to hold it.
Sorry.
Daddy, what does this do?
Don't know.
Check. Temperature. Beep.
What's the temperature? 36.3.
Is it high?
No. What's
Perfect.
there's tablet. Tablet's a tablet.
That is a tablet.
Yes.
Because Daddy, if there's someone, if Korean is the second, then we will count it.
Yes.
Beep. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
What happened?
But check up.
Okay. Ask the one out there.
Is that gamot?
It looks like ointment.
Yes.
Daddy, what is this? This is ointment, lemon, cheese, and strawberry. Because they were. What's this? Milk. What's this?
That is weighing scale. No? Weighing scale. Ayun na yung stethoscope. Oh,
This is different. What else is oh yeah, that is it. Okay, that is baby. Ugu Gaga. That is it.
wow, medicine.
It's strawberry flavor.
Mamaya ano ikaw alcohol.
Huh?
Mag-alcohol ikaw mamaya kasi you touch the ayun o, meron din yung pas patient doon sa ilalim.
Wait for others.
Patient.
You sit here.
The patient.
Sit here. Sit here.
You sit down.
When the doctor. Daddy, can we put all these over here? Hey, over there. This is for
Hairball.
yeah,
Herbal.
herbal,
Herbal.
herbal.
Medicine.
And here.
Scissor.
Consider. Evidence is my head.
Ayun yung magsasa mo yung record. Ayun yung sa baba, sa ilan. Record book. O ba yan? Yan. Record book.
What do we do with it?
Record book.
What do we do with it?
You write the
With the what?
medicine record.
Where's my pencil? Where's my pencil?
Ay, wala dyan.
Why do they forgot about the pencil? Are you?
Pencil or ball pen? Ball pen.
What is this thing? What is this thing? I don't know. What is this thing?
Ano yan? Registration office. Registration.
What is
Paano?
it?
Yan nakalagay yung door sa door.
Where's the door?
Maybe there, doon na lang sa taas.
Huh?
Doon sa taas, sa cabinet. Yan.
Daddy, I can see babies over there from me.
Oh, bawal dyan kasi may rashes ikaw eh.
I can see babies in there. That's so boring.
Oh, say ano na. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Come here if you want to go to the doctor because they have toys. Bye.
Today I'm going to check up.
Today I'm going to check out. Bye.
Bye.